Good morning, everyone. I'm sitting here outside because it's lovely and warm, finally. So I'm having my breakfast. I just made peanut butter banana toast. So it's a beautiful day outside and I'm excited for the rest of the day. Also, while I'm eating my breakfast, I'm going to read The Heart of the Buddhist Teachings. So I love spirituality. I really like learning about Buddhism. Remember that impermanence exists, so nothing lasts forever. Feelings don't last forever. Situations don't last forever. We are always changing and growing and adapting to different things. So just have trust in that if you're feeling down, it's not going to last forever, even if you think it will. And then on the opposite spectrum, a lot of what makes us suffer is because things aren't permanent, because things have to end. But change and ending is necessary for life. Nothing can be permanent, or else nothing will ever evolve. You'll never find anything better. There's a reason why things need to change, and a lot of the times we don't see it until a later time when we realize, yeah, I'm so much better without this or that.
Just 'cause we're in love doesn't mean that we're right for each other. Can't keep making a home out of you just 'cause you're asking me to. I'm not asking for too much. Here's to good people, good nights, good highs, good health, some tears, some stress, but I count my blessings. Here's to good music, great sex, little time to feel alive, little time to get it right.
Support local businesses. Ooh, I got mango avocado roll. Joe got a salad.
That is not a salad.
Or a lettuce.
It's a lip. Oh, you go.
Oh, deep fried tofu. That's the best. We just got everything. Vegetable tempura.
Oh, you're trying some soup with you, Joe. I like that miso soup. Will you get extra bowls?
You want some of my salad too?
Oh, it's so good.
That's my
Oh, I got,
I'm gonna heat up the deep fried tofu.
I don't know what it is. Noodles? Pad thai?
Yes,
I wanted the same with you then.
Yes.
Whoa. I have a little bit of
Whoa.
Dude, this is what's dip it in sauce.
Thanks, Bamboo. Love you.
Obvious? Dip it in some soy sauce.
That's for, I think.
So now I'm going to show you guys how to make chili with roasted potatoes for dinner, which I made before and it was really good. So if you guys want to know how to make it, then continue watching.
Stacking up cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, as long as she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I like the way you work it, no diggity, I gotta bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity, I gotta bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity, I gotta bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity, I gotta bag it up. She's got class.
so freak, won't you